Learn this from a steakhouse owner. Mix cream with olives for a surprise. Start by adding half a pack of olives to a bowl. I'm using pitted olives here. Next, add 200 grams of cream. Now let's blend everything well. I'm using a mixer, but a blender works too. Add 3 tablespoons mayo, small garlic clove, chives, half a lemon. Mix again. After mixing, the sauce looks a lot like mayonnaise. You can add salt to taste if you prefer. Transfer to your preferred container and enjoy. This sauce pairs well with barbecue. Eat it with bread if you like. It's delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.